Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix iPhone continuity camera not working. If your iPhone's continuity camera isn't working, follow these simple steps to fix the issue quickly. So let's get started. Turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. To reset network connection, this quick refresh fixes connectivity glitches that may be blocking continuity camera. Enable continuity camera by clicking onto settings on your iPhone. Then you have to go to general and then search for AirPlay and continuity and tap onto it. Ensure continuity camera is turned on your iPhone. Here's this option, make sure it is turned on. If it's already on, toggle it off and turn it back on to refresh the setting. This allows your iPhone to function as a webcam for your Mac. Then the third step is you can disable VPN. If enabled, go to settings, then general, and you have to search for VPN and device management and tap onto this option called VPN and device management. VPNs can interfere with continuity camera connection. Make sure it is turned off. Then another step is you can check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your Mac. To do it, you have to search for open system settings on your Mac and go to Bluetooth and ensure it's on. Then you have to on your iPhone and go to settings and then click onto Bluetooth and make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. If not, reconnect them and check again manually. And the last option is you can reset your network settings by go to general and scroll down and search for this option called transfer or reset iPhone. Tap onto it and you can tap on to reset all settings, and that's it. After following these steps, try using continuity camera again on your Mac. If it doesn't work, restart both your iPhone and Mac. That's it. By now your continuity camera should be working smoothly. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe button for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.